大家好 Welcome back to this video with Lao Shilin. For this video, we will learn another two things in Mandarin. Before that, let's sing a song. How about if we sing 头肩膀膝盖脚 together with 老师一二三头肩膀膝盖脚膝盖脚头肩膀膝盖脚膝盖脚眼睛耳朵鼻子和口头肩膀膝盖脚膝盖脚 Very good 同学们 In this video, we will learn another two things. It is 虫 and 鸟 虫 and 鸟 Let's look at the first one. 虫 in bahasa means ulat or in English means worm. Let's read this word together with 老师虫 again 虫 once again 虫 Now let's count how many strokes in this word 虫有多少笔画 Together with 老师一二三四五六画 or 6 stroke. We already count how many stroke. Now let's write it down step by step. 虫树横直横竖提点虫 Once again 虫 Very good Now the second word 鸟 in bahasa means burung or in English means bird Now let's read this word together with 老师鸟鸟 Once again 鸟 OK 很好同学们 Now let's count how many strokes in this word 鸟有多少笔画一二三四五画 or 5 stroke Now 同学们 we already count the stroke Now let's write it down step by step Follow 老师撇横竖钩点竖直钩横 become 鸟 Once again 鸟很好同学们同学们 we already learned how to write it down and count the stroke in this word Now let's read it once again with 老师 Look at my mouth, okay? The first one 虫Once again 虫很好 Now the second word 鸟很好同学们 That's all for this video. Thank you for your attention 同学们再见